I'm going to tell you why your company won't help you win in business. And we're getting started right now. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Reggie Pegues, Prospering Dad TV, motivation, mindset, marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. And I want to welcome you back to the channel. But if you're brand new, if this is the first time that you are viewing me, I want you to go right here, hit the subscribe, and then go down and hit the notification bell below. So as I upload new content that's going to help you explode your business online, you'll be the first to know. Your company won't help you win in business. And they're not supposed to. You're responsible for your business. And here's the thing that you're going to learn in this episode. The exact reasons why you need to take responsibility, take the bull by the horn, and move your own business forward. The first thing is, they didn't actually tell you the exact truth. The exact truth is that you have to come with skill sets. You have to work on you each and every day to develop your skill sets to get better and better. It's not about the company. It's not about the products. It's not even about the service. It's not about your upline. It's not about the commission plan. It's all about you. You have to get better every day. The better you become, the better your business will become. Why is that? Because generally, 97% of people who come into the industry have never run a business before. So before you start seeing that big check that they told you that you'll make in a month, you got to really work on your skill level. If you've never run a business before, if you've never managed people before, how are you going to get the results that they promised you? So they didn't actually tell you the truth, but they didn't lie either. They offered you a product, service, or opportunity. They offered you enrollment. They offered it to you at low cost. And then they supplied you with the materials to potentially become successful in that particular business. You have to step up, take responsibility, build your skills, and get to the level that you want to see in your business. If you want to know more, go to the comments below. I have some links there that are going to help you build your skills necessary to have a successful and sustainable business. The next thing is, you are your real business. Now, what do I mean? A lot of people, they get excited about joining a company, and then you'll see them on their Facebook page. I'm with Grapey Grape Company. It's on their cover wall. You go through their timeline. All they're doing is spamming and promoting. They go out to even put magnets on their cars. They're doing all this stuff. But what if that business decides to close its doors? What will you do? I've experienced and seen multi-six-figure earners in companies lose everything because they were so diverse and so immersed in a company. The reality of it is this: your company is only a tool. You are not your company. You're not that product. You're not that service or opportunity. Why? Because you didn't create it, but you are your business. You are the CEO of you. So that's why your personal development is so instrumental, why you have to really work to get better each and every day, because people do business with people they know, like, and trust. And that's you. You have to build rapport. You have to build relationships. Remember, that company that you joined is only a tool. So treat it like that. You have to respect it, but you have to understand you don't own it. You didn't create it. They could tell you that they'll be in business forever, but the average multi-level marketing company, direct sales company, generally lasts about anywhere between 2 to 5 years. If they're beyond that, that means that they're here to stay. But if you're just getting into these brand new opportunities, you don't know when things can change. So you don't want to get caught short. Respect it, work it, become as good as you possibly can with your skill level. But it's not the company, it's the industry at large that you want to be great at. And you can do it. When you understand that you are your real business, it's not their job to help you build it. When you join that opportunity, you paid whatever the entry fee was to get involved. You paid, You're working with your coaches, you're getting on the opportunity calls, you might even be going to conventions. It still comes back to you. It's not their job to build your business. It's your job. And you have to work really diligently to make sure that you become resourceful. Connect with other people, not necessarily in your company, although you can find them there, but you might want to connect with people in the industry at large. If you're in health and wellness, you can go and find on Facebook so many different groups that you can network with other people, get information from. You can follow some of the top leaders in the industry and see what they're doing. How are they posting? What content are they creating? How are they sharing it? How are they building their audiences online? And you can model those behaviors in that particular niche. My recommendation is that you broaden your scope and look at the online marketing industry at large. And again, if you're looking for some content that's going to help you do that, check out what I put down in the comments below to help you get more results in your business. You got to be able to withstand the highs and the lows. You got to make that mindset shift. See, it's not like when you were working on your job. When you worked on your job, you did X amount of hours per week and you got paid per hour what that company thought that you deserved. When you are a business owner, when you are an entrepreneur, now the responsibility all falls on you. And there are highs and there are lows in businesses. If you're not getting the results that you want to see, if you're not generating 3 to 5 leads constantly and consistently each and every day, if you are not making sales every week, don't panic. It's simply that you have not become the person that you need to be to get those type of results. What do you need to do? Again, I can't emphasize this enough in this episode. You have to build your skill level up. And if you're interested in help, connect with me below, and I will certainly point you in the right direction to get the results that you want to see in your business. I hope that you got some value out of today's episode, out of this video, and that you are responsible for you. That's the key thing. That's the key message that I want you to take away from this video, that you're responsible for you. You have to build your own business. They will not help you become a success in business. It's not their job. It's your job. With that said, I want to see you on my next video.